decided to come to the beach. It is 80 degrees outside today. It's nice weather today, huh? Hi, Natty.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's moving.
It's moving?
Yeah, but I think it's kind of like... It was moving just a minute ago.
Really? Ah. Cool. A rock. Maybe that's why. Hi, handsome boy. And then. Hi. What is this? What the heck is that?
Look, it was sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
Why did you my shoulder?
Yeah, it's fine. You're gonna go like this to it later.
Okay.
You can sit.
How are these things?
Say hi.
Look at sandcastle. Look at, we never seen a crab. Here's a crab. Can I see this for 1 minute?
Let's see what Yomar's doing. How you doing, babe?
Relaxing my brain,
Relaxing.
my mind.
How you feeling? Good.
No, vale. Siento un poquito apretadito.
Guys, the fruit that was in the other vlog that you guys never guessed is this right here. It's called passion fruit. Palcha. Is it good? Sour?
Yeah, passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Maracachimba, yo creo que le dicen
Otro país.
chinola en Santo Domingo.
So good. Jade is having some palcha. She loves it. Sour.
Really sour.
Kids are over there. Here, grab one big one.
No, I need more.
Grab one big one.
Leave it in there.
It's gonna go flying. Sour.
It's like the warheads here.
Yandel fell, you don't listen.
We were supposed to go to the park, but
We had an incident.
there was too many teenagers in there. And
We got one baby right there.
Yandel fell and he hurt his toe.
So we gotta go to the hospital.
We gotta go. I need to go to the hospital. So,
Sorry guys, to be continued.
sorry guys, to be continued. No, we gotta go to Walmart.
What do we do?
Dunkin' Donuts.
To be continued guys, to be continued.
Decided to stop here and let the kids play in the McDonald's little park, but we gotta go food shopping soon. It's pretty early. It's around 11 or 12, and yeah, we have to go food shopping in Walmart. We was actually in Walmart yesterday, but we only grabbed a few things and we decided to go food shopping today, so that is what we're gonna do. And yeah. I have in here.
Have to go here and then go back up. Turn around. Ah, it's so windy. Oh no, then we go back up here.
I think I'm stuck.
This is where you go inside the clubhouse.
Okay.
And then you go back up here. And you come up here, you're amazing. And then come over here and then.
Hi!
And then come up here, you go into the big slide.
Okay.
That's the road. Come on here.
Come on. was fun.
Go back inside.
I'm not going back. We are stuck here in the McDonald's parking. Our car does not want to turn on. Sucks. So you was trying to see what he could do.
A boy?
But, I don't know. I think he has to call AAA or something. Oh my God, to turn it on. So we are. Oh, somebody came to help. That was nice. We're gonna drive it home and take that little car. And you got it on, baby. Woo! We ain't stuck anymore. So we're just gonna leave this at home, and your mom's gonna fix it. But we cannot drive this again. I don't want to get stuck.
It's the starter. It's going out.
Oh, that's the starter.
But it won't leave me on the road now.
I think we should just bring it home and take
That's
it
all I'm
home.
gonna do.
Hey, she's heavy. Get her down. Get her down. Oh, sorry. These girls are hyper today. Alright, let's show them what we found. You lost them? Oh, they're right here. Got at least been talking about these in school, and we finally found them. They said new, and these are raisins but sour. So we're gonna give these a try. Oops. We got those, and we got the lemon one somewhere in here. I don't know. But hopefully they taste like the ones in school, huh? Bunch of stuff here. And after here we're going to, where are we going, honey? To Sam's? We're going to Sam's after. But we are almost done here. Natalia, you thirsty? When we get in the car, I'll give you a juice, okay? Let's get one of these bagels. Hold on. The ones that we got over there. Oh, we found the sour lemon ones too. Here, baby, put it back. Come on. Plain. Come on, baby. Okay, we can go? Yeah, I think we're done.
Mommy, do you have like the black cookies we're going to go?
Yes. Look at what we found. I never saw these.
Right here.
This is good for our wine. Drink wine. Yomar's not drinking though. He was sick. But next week, we're gonna have this with some wine. Put it in the carriage, Dada. Okay, so we are gonna do a taste test on these, what are they called? Raisins. And these are sour, so.
For you, Yonder?
Yeah, give me Fat Boy. They're not sour like the ones in school with the sugar, but they taste pretty good. Here, Fat Boy. So these are for kids that don't like to eat raisins. Now they're making them with flavor. This is sour strawberry. What do you think? You don't like them? The ones in school are good because they're actually very sour. These say that are sour, but I think they taste pretty good. They don't taste bad, Jaden. I actually like them.
Let's try them.
Try 'em?
Smell yours. Let's smell yours. Smell
They have-
yours.
Usually like the red one.
Tastes good, huh? like 'em? Do you like them, Nati?
I don't like the one that smells like blood. I love
They're not bad.
Keep dropping it.
The ones in school are good.
I like the school better. Hey, no.
1 to 10. How much you rate it from 1 to 10?
Hey, which is bad, which is good?
10 because
10 is a good. 1 is not good. How much do you really rate these?
A 4 or a 5?
4 or 5? So they're not that bad, right? I would rate these like around 7 to 8. The ones in school like 9 to 10, right? They're super good.
10 to...
Okay, guys, we are home. I'm in my pajamas. I want to be comfortable. I am sweaty. But I wanted to show you guys a few healthy stuff that I bought for myself. And as I just stuffed myself with pizza. But I'm trying, you guys. I am trying. But I bought these Gardeins meatballs. And these are vegan. And these also crispy tenders. I already tried these. These are really good. These I haven't tried, but I decided I wanted to give it a try. And these lean cuisines. It says it's chicken and sweet barbecue sauce and some cheesy potatoes. So I just grabbed 2 of these. And yeah, let's see what else. I think I got a few more things over here. Yeah, I got these soups. I like eating them. I'm trying to be healthy. These oats. This is like an oatmeal. Steel oats. These are really good. I actually love these. And I bought 2 of these peanut butter and jelly, like little sandwiches. And these are pretty good. I bought 2 of them. And yeah, that is all I got, you guys. Oh no, I got one more thing. Let me see. I've never seen these. Oh yeah, I bought some fruits for myself. The kids kind of like these, but not so much. So I love them. But I bought these potatoes, little potatoes, and they say microwave potatoes. So I was like, I kind of want to give them a try. So I can eat those with those kind of healthy chickens. So I found those and I was like, yes, please. And yeah, that is all I bought, you guys. I'm trying to eat healthy. Trying. But look at all these palchas that we got, you guys. Some lady that works for Yomar in his job gave him all of these. And we had some yesterday in the beach, but we still have a bunch of them. So sweet of her to give us that. She says her husband grows them in her yard, so she just gave some to us. What happened, baby?
I'm done. I'm just gonna let Nati clean the rest because
Okay. The girls are cleaning the toy room.
She's not even cleaning one bit of the thing.
No.
The rest that I left is hers.
Okay, I think you guys are almost done. Now they just picked this.
I'm leaving that there because we're gonna play with it when we're done. Because we're
Okay.
gonna fix this.
So I'm gonna get the bag so we can throw this pile away, okay? The girls were cleaning the toy room and yeah, we're just gonna relax. So I think I'm gonna let you guys go. Today was a super busy day, super busy. But we got to at least bring the car over here. Yoma's actually outside looking at the car to see if he can fix it or something because I cannot be without a car. I take Jellies to school, so let's see what happens. I am eating some fruits and I am also editing here in my bed, and there is a tornado warning, you guys. I don't think you guys can even see, but it was super windy today and now it is pouring raining outside. We brought in the chairs and it is crazy out there. So yeah guys, I'm gonna finish editing. Oh my god, yeah. So this is what happened the last time there was a tornado watch.
And the damage is this right here. See that water? It damaged all this stuff.
It damaged my makeup station. But it's because over here, let's see. Over here is like slanted, so all that water just comes in my yard. But actually the sun wants to come out now. Oh my god, look at all the birds! Oh. I think it's gonna stop soon, but I'm not sure. It's actually starting to rain again. But that's the only thing I hate about this house. Like, I love my house, but this right here, when it gets wet, I hate it so much. But now we have to move the bed so it won't ruin the legs. But it kind of stops though. That's good. Okay, you guys, it stopped raining, so that's a good thing. I dried the floor and I pushed my bed back. What a mess. But yeah, I'm still editing today's vlog, and yeah, this time I'm really gonna let you guys go. Just gonna add this to the last clip, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.